Hello everyone, I Tejaswini Shinde from 4th year BR presenting an individual project which is Identity Reformation of Mughal Darbar. So in this project we are focusing on one of the major main street in Old Nasik which was working as a highway in 19th century. Our group is focusing on a road which is from Sarda Circle to Damodar Theatre. The street is a very busy street. Each and every type of businesses are take place over there on the street. We are working on the one of the major node of the street which is Abdul Hussaini Chowk. Doodh Bazaar, Workers Naka, a famous eatery Mughal Darbar, clothes shoppings, famous Bombay sweets, Nazim hospitals, some grocery shops, all are surrounded on the site. So after doing site visits, site analysis, we got to know some issues over there. Those issues are majorly found related to Mughal Darbar, which is one of the famous eatery for non-veg dishes in the Nasik. So some issues are secondary street was not accessible for vehicles. Then the sufficient parking area is not there on site. Because of this, when there is a peak time at Mughal Darbar, traffic jams happen on a large scale. There is no sufficient sitting at Mughal Darbar and there is lack of storage area in Mughal Darbar. So on the basis of these issues, we are working on identity reformation of Mughal Darbar. So here you can see the existing plan of the site where the Mughal Darbar is only this much. Then this is the accommodation area for the workers who works in Mughal Darbar. This is the Mughal Darbar's guest house. Here is some demolished structure over here. Then this is the old structure which we are going to retain as it is. Here is the Nasim hospital. We can see this is not easily accessible for vehicle from both the sides. So this is the major problem with Nasim hospital over here. And this is the Abdul Hussain Chowk. And here is the roof plan for the proposal project, in which we can see the node, the street avenue, parking and the roof settings and green pockets also. Explain the existing plan before. Now here I am going to explain my design proposal. So this is the Abdul Hussaini Chowk and these two are the major axes for my site. And this is the third axis which I am going to propose of 9-meter width for the secondary street accessibility of vehicles. Then this is the Nasim hospital which is accessible from these two sides majorly, and the ambulance also can come easily over here and the people also can come over here and park their vehicles. So here parking is also provided for the hospital. Then moving towards the Mughal Darbar, the parking area is provided over here for two-wheelers and the four-wheelers I am going to propose the parking on the secondary street. So there are there are two axes for the Mughal Darbar. One is the major from the south side and the another is from north side which is connected to the parking. So in the entrance there are water bodies which going to welcome us. Then here we can see the sitting area is over here. So in the existing Mughal Darbar, there is only 100 sittings are provided over there, and this is the issue which I am going to introduce in my design. Like I'm answering this issue with providing almost 250 sitting area over here. Then this is the layout for kitchen and the storage area for the Mughal Darbar. This is the cold storage area. This is the dry storage area. Then this is the washing place and storage of dishes. And this is the kitchen. This is the delivery counter over there, and here is the reception or counter is placed over here, and here is the toilet block which I am going to provide it over here. Then this is the existing building which we are going to retain as it is, but changing just internal layout of it. So we are converting this into a guest house for of Mughal Darbar only. So on the ground floor, here is the setting area again over here. Then on the first floor of this retained building, there is the guest house, like rooms are introduced over here. In that structure as it is, just internal layout is going to change over there. And the accommodation for workers of the Mughal Darbar, which I am going to propose on the first floor, which is above on the uh, kitchen and the storage area of Mughal Darbar. And for the connection in between our sides, we are going to propose a bridge on our side. So the bridge is going from this direction from my side, and it has a 5-meter height. So this is the section which cut from here and here also, and this is the south elevation. Like I'm trying to use arches which are represents Mughal, like Mughal word. So I tried to use that as an welcoming material, or like the identity reformation. And so in this project I am achieving addition of settings, storage space, proper accommodation area for workers of Mughal Darbar, and parking area and guest house of the Mughal Darbar. Thank you.